Oh, guys. Dito tayo magsiswim later. Later ba or now na? Now na! Guys, today we are going to Waig. Apan kami aglangoy, ije Waig. Naglalakad pa lang kami, papunta. Let's go to Waig. It's so green here. So freshy. Let's go! Ay, hindi ko alam yung daan. Where? Look guys, oh, we're going to Waig. Oh, it's maganda ang daan. Oh, ang cute naman ni picture na to.
I want.
Oh, oh, wait lamang. Oh, oh, aguray. I can't. Pero let's try. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh, okay. May falls doon. Falls ba yun? Lakad lang ang lakad, pero mag-ingat kasi baka mahulog tayo doon sa baba. I'm so sweaty na. Oh, how can I? Okay. I got it. Oh, 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 oh. Baka mahulog ako doon sa... Is that irrigation? Irrigation? Payas? Payas is irrigation, right? Ay, sabali. So, from here, ang daanan talaga natin, we have to be really careful. Baba. Eto, yan, hose yan ng water. Kasi ang source of water dito is spring. Galing sa bundok. Libre yung water nila. Galing sa bundok. Malapit na tayo guys. Doon tayo pupunta. Doon banda. O see, may dadaanan pa tayong bridge. Yeah, I'm taking a video. Oh, you say hi. You say hi. Tapos, from there, hindi ko makita. From there, doon pupunta banda. Yata. I think so. Wait. So, nahuli na ako. Oh! Guys, I have to cross this alone kasi nandun na yung mga kasama ko. Anyway, this is the consequence of taking a video. So, I have to take this bridge with all my might. Kung hindi tayo mag-iingat, mahuhulog tayo dyan. It's so fresh. Oh, see? I'm almost at the other end. I did it. I'm so brave. Oh, oh, oh. Saan sila dumaan? Dito ba? No. I'm taking the wrong way na. So, dapat dito pala sa baba. Pumunta ako doon kanina. Pero bakit wala silang bakas ng ano? So, yan. Another hose. Ay, same linya yata kanina. Same line of hose ng water nila. Yan, maraming hose. Nakikita nyo. Yan. Oops, 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 oops. Oh! Basta na dito eh. It's so... Oh, okay. Got it! Malapit na tayo. Nandun na sila. Oh, yun na sila. And ako nandito pa, taking a video. Anyway, let's take this road. Wait lang. Maraming kahoy. Yoo-hoo! Yeah! It's so malamig. So cool. Oh, guys! Naliligo na sila. Yes! So cool. And so refreshing. So guys, dito banda, malalim dito banda. It's just like the pool. And doon nanggagaling yung water. Galing doon sa taas sa bundok. So, dito tayo magsiswim later. Later ba or now na? Now na! Let's digos! Look guys, we're enjoying so much. Oh, ang saya sa likod. Hanggang dito lang. Para siyang massager sa likod. Picture na nga, bakit tagas na, di ulo na. Bakit hindi naman It's so organic. It's free of charge, free of chlorine, and libreng masahe pa. Bisay. Oo, saya guys. Free massager sa likod. It's organic. Walang halong chemical. The water is so cool. So masaya. So relaxing. Hi! 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 Oh, you say hi, Ma'am Glo. Madulas. Madulas siya dito banda sa gilid-gilid. Kasi malumot. So, careful tayo. Let's sit again. Oh. Let's have our break from swimming. Let's merienda. Let's have our merienda. What do you think this is? This is soft drinks. Say hi. Doon kami naliligo kanina. Diyan. And then, dito, nag-swim na ako kanina kaso walang videographer. Kaya, Kurus. They are looking for, anong hinahanap nyo? Suso or lidid. They're looking for suso or lidid. The bigger the better. Pero ayaw daw po nila ng maliliit. Gusto nila malalaki.
Oh. Yan. Okay. So, hello everyone. Welcome to my vlog. And let me show you Russell and friends. The Suso group. Yun naman, sina Ma'am Cheryl, Ma'am Mylene, Ma'am Glo, they are the Kuros group. And ito na nga po ang Udang and Kuros group. Kanina galing tayo sa Suso group. Ma'am, patingin. Ay! There's the Udang. Ma'am, Udang dito. Ayun ba? Maglaing. Hi, Isay. Say hi. Anong hinahanap ni Isay? Ayun, may nahanap na naman sila. What's that? Ay, what is that?
Ni!
Oh.
Oh! Ni! Kag tiliwan.
Tiliwa mo, muti udang.
Tiliwan yun.
Ay!
Tiliwak pa eh.
Look what we got. We have sangkasida. What's the difference between kuros
And the kur.
Guys, look. Ito yung nakuha namin. Actually, guys, hindi ito iisang species. Isang species. I mean, hindi sila pare-pareho. Kung napapansin ninyo, may mga mas matutulis like this. Yan. Natutulis. Yan. Tapos, yung iba, ito, yung ganito, hindi siya masyadong matulis. So, kung i-compare natin, yung ito, kumpara dito sa mga, yan matutulis. Ito yung suso. At saka ito, ibang shell ito. Dito sa amin tinatawag tong gusipang. We call this gusipang. Tingnan natin yung ano. Yan, yung mga hindi masyadong matutulis. Yan. And ito yung suso. So, okay. See the difference? So guys, sineseparate na natin yung gusipang and suso. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, itong gusipang, mas rough pala yung ano niya shell. Kumpara, oo, kasi tingnan mo, mas marumi. Mas kumakapit yung lumot kumpara dito sa suso, mas saglit. Shiny yung ano, yung shell niya. Oh, see? Ito, hindi siya shiny. Pero pag burnish siguro, magiging shiny. So, ito yung suso, ito yung gusipong. Anong difference? Meron na kaming pang dinner. Let's go home na. Uwi na. Next time ulit. Babush! See you next time. Next time meron na kaming native na manok. Let's go na! So, babalik tayo doon sa pinanggalingan. Pero actually guys, may pupuntahan pa kami. Dadaan kami sa Makikilanik.
Thank you very much for watching till the end.